Alright guys, the train is coming south through Ithaca Thursday night at 10:03 p.m. I was just getting to bed. Just some standard TSBY hoppers. Tomorrow I have a half day of school. Half day at school. Friday. What's today? Thursday. I get out at 11 o'clock tomorrow. I go into school at 8. Yeah, I stay 4.5 hours there. Or maybe 3, I don't know. Instead of 8 hours. That's my turtles filter in the background. Just the water siphoning through the filter into the tank. Oh wow, family land system. There's a lumber. There's a Cadillac style grainer. Now they're gonna have new school hoppers instead of the 4750 hoppers. In case you guys don't know what 4750 hopper means, it's the older style hoppers. Like for instance the TSBY hoppers that go by here, that have the lines down the side of them and that look a little older. Even some of the new ones that look like the TSBY ones are the 4750 type hopper car. Now the guns. GLC trains aren't really that mixed up anymore. Well, I get that they have to drop their cars off at certain industries in a certain way. It feels like the only cars that are mixed up are the guns. That's an X-rail gun. Well, it's a C&O car, had the chassis system logo on it. That's pretty rare to see. Rail gun. Another rail gun. One X rail gun. Alrighty, see you guys.